Hello, everybody. This is Vinayak from Voxfor Lifetime, your go to destination for server management and database optimization. Brought to you by Voxfor.com, your trusted provider for lifetime VPS, dedicated servers, managed WordPress hosting, and more. Today, we are diving into the ultimate guide to MySQL on VPS. This covers installation, database control, and expert tips. MySQL is one of the most popular relational database management systems, powering millions of websites and applications. Hosting it on a VPS ensures better control, security, and performance compared to shared hosting. Let's set up MySQL on the VPS. Before we begin, ensure that we have the following requirements ready. We will need a VPS with root access, which you can buy from voxfor.com for lifetime. We will also need a Linux distribution to be installed on the VPS. I would recommend Ubuntu 22.04 or 20.04. Next, we will require SSH credentials to connect to our VPS. And finally, the basic command line knowledge in Linux. You can also visit our blog for the same commands. The link will be in the description. To install MySQL on our VPS server, first we will update the repositories by doing sudo apt update. This will update the repositories. Next, we will do MySQL server installation by typing sudo apt install mysql-server. I will copy this command, go to terminal and paste it, press enter. MySQL server will now be installed. To start MySQL service on your VPS, use the command sudo systemctl start mysql. Copy it, go to terminal, paste it, and press enter. This command will make sure MySQL service has been started. To scale or enable the MySQL software at the booting or turning on of our VPS, we will use sudo systemctl enable MySQL. Copy it, go back to terminal, paste it, and press enter. This command will create a link to our files, and in the boot order that MySQL should be enabled as soon as our VPS is online. You should run a security script which will perform several actions such as setting up passwords and other. This is a recommended step. I will copy it. The script is sudo mysql underscore secure underscore installation. This comes pre-bundled within the initial MySQL server package. Press enter. I will press Y because I want to validate the users using password. Now I will state the password strength. I will choose password with the level 3, that is strong. You can also press 2. We will remove anonymous users because we are not going to risk our MySQL installation. Press Y and enter. We will disable the root login as well using remote connections. Next, we will remove the test database. It's up to you. You can also leave this test database. I will do a no in this scenario, and I will again do a Y for the privilege reloads. The script has been executed successfully. Next, to verify the installation of MySQL, use MySQL space hyphen version. I will copy it, go to terminal, paste it, and press enter. MySQL version 8 is currently present in our Linux VPS. To check the status of MySQL, if MySQL is running, use sudo systemctl status MySQL. Go to terminal, paste it, and enter. If active or running is shown, it means that MySQL is currently up and running without any issues. We will now look at how to list all database in Linux VPS using command line. First, we will log into the MySQL by using MySQL space hyphen u space root space hyphen p. Copy it, go to terminal, paste it, and press. The password cannot be seen because in Linux it is a security feature. Now we will run the command or SQL query which is show databases. I'll copy it, go to terminal, paste it, and press enter. These four databases are present in our MySQL installation. Coming up, we will see how to secure database access on a VPS by creating a limited user access. To create a user with restricted access, we will use create user, then the name of user, at the rate percentile, which is defined for our local host, identified by password. To run this command, I have to go to my SQL database. I will do mysql hyphen u space username, that is root space hyphen p. Now I will paste the command and execute it. The password policy requirement have not been met, so I will replace the password now. So instead of this short password, I will type a complex password and press enter. Query OK, 0 rows affected. This means that our user has now been created. To grant privileges to user, we will again copy the command, go back to terminal, paste it, and press enter. Same query has also been executed without any issues. Now we will flush the privileges. Flushing the privileges is important because it helps the database get best security. Query is executed. If MySQL server is down, we can start it by sudo systemctl start MySQL. These are for fixing some common issues which are encountered while using MySQL. I will copy it, go to terminal, paste it, and press enter. To check the server status for MySQL, use the systemctl status command, copy and paste it. Our MySQL server is running and it is consuming 400 megabytes of memory. That's it. You have successfully installed and configured MySQL on your VPS. We covered installation, security, and performance optimization and remote access setup in this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and share it with others learning MySQL. For more in-depth tutorials, check out our blog linked in the description. And remember, whether you need powerful VPS, managed WordPress hosting, or dedicated servers, visit Voxfor.com for top-tier solutions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.